What's up, guys? It's Sunday. This is an off-the-cuff video. I'm gonna be trying out this stuff. Broadleaf weed killer. Sunday night. Sun is going down. I'm gonna mix it according to the label. Spray it on and see what happens. So I'm just gonna mix this up quick. It calls for 42 milliliters per liter of water. I'm using 4 gallons. So I'm not doing the math. I'm just gonna mix this up the way it's supposed to be. And then I'm just gonna walk until I run out. And see how it does. I'm kind of curious. I've heard it is a glorified Scott's weed kill, but I gotta see it for myself, and I gotta let you guys know how it works. So let's get going. So I've mixed it up, and as you can see, that's a dark liquid. The one thing I am gonna do, it doesn't say to do it, but I know it's not in it, so I'm gonna add my favorite, Dawn Just soap, as a surfactant, so it actually sticks to what I spray. And yes, I am gonna blanket coat the whole lawn. Let's go. So the front has been sprayed. Now, the primary chemical in this, if you can call it that, is iron. So if it doesn't kill the weeds, maybe it'll make my lawn greener, but we'll see. Let's go. Whew, it's hot outside. All right, so I've already hit the front and the side, and now I'm gonna hit the back. Now this stuff does say do not get it on bent grass, so it will stay away from the putting green. Other than that, time to cover the rest of the yard. Maybe it'll green up because it's iron. Maybe it'll kill some weeds. I just don't know. So I just want you guys to see this huge patch of clover. So this is the back of my yard, but we're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it heavy. All right, guys. So I just sprayed the front, the back, the side. I sprayed my whole lawn with the Fiesta. And don't forget, always clean out your backpack sprayer, because I use this for putting down liquid iron, some of my fertilizers. So you want to make sure that it's clean, so you're not putting down anything you don't want. So this is the 3rd run of clean water through this, just to make sure it's all cleaned out. Keep your equipment good, people. Also, I think I'm soaked. So I don't know if this thing's leaking or if I didn't tighten up the cap, but I'm wet with a herbicide. Awesome, isn't it? So much for PP. Guys. So yes, I am changed, and that is because I got that herbicide all over me. How, I don't know. Just, you know, backwoods things, I guess. So at the very least, I got some iron down on the lawn. At the very most, that herbicide will actually kill something. But we'll just have to wait and see. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is it actually going to do anything? Is it just a glorified Scott's? Is it just a glorified Scott's product? But yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments, because I sprayed everything. See how it goes. You guys are going to have to wait for the results, though. Just because, you know, impromptu, backwoods, Sunday night video. So yeah, this has been Backwoods. Cheers. We'll see you in the next one.